What's up, YouTube? It's Vince Anthony with Anthony Automation in Visalia, California. I am going to continue on with lesson 3. We were doing the counters, the CTUs, the timers, the TONs, and I wanted to get into one-shots, moves, and computes in this also. So we're going to do all that right now. So we left off where we are keeping track of total starts, total runtime, total stops, and total downtime of our piece of equipment here, whatever this motor is driving in your imagination. So, again, we hit the start button. System starts. I counted my starts, and I am running. My runtime is increasing. If I hit the stop button, system stops, and my downtime is increasing. This drives plant managers crazy. They want the runtime continuously moving, always, all day, all night, even when you're cleaning. So, alright, so in order to have our values from here reflect over here in the way I have it configured now, because you could technically take these values and bring them right over there, but I have some pre-configured tags already. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a rung here, and we're going to put 4 move functions, 1 move function for every one of these tags. So we want to take our moves, and I am going to use Control V and just copy 1, 2, 3. Now we have 4 of them. So we want to take this and move, stops, runtime, and downtime. So, a move function. Now, I was on the phone one time troubleshooting the machine with a guy, and he was trying to tell me, or he didn't understand, he was asking me if the move function actually made the equipment move. The move function does not, it's not a move command. It only moves data from one tag set to another, but it overwrites the data in the other tag set. So in other words, if you want to take this value, which right now is 3, I'm sorry, we got to say accumulated for all these guys. When you move this value into, we're going to say total starts, we're going to have to bring it into the program, so we're going to name it. We're going to make sure it's a base tag. It's not alias. This is going to be a dent, which is a double integer, and our scope is going to be global. And once we bring it in there, we should see it update right here. That was just telling me that something new just happened. So total stops, same thing. Want it to be tag, base tag, no alias, double integer, global tag, and there we go. We should update over here. Total stops. Eventually, emulator's a little slow. Oh, I spelled stops wrong. That's never going to work. And there you go. That kind of stuff happens all the time. You got to program on the fly. Figure it out. And total downtime. Alright, so we got our eyes. Everything on that rung is good to go. Okay, so as we go hit this start button, our total starts should increment. 4. Our runtime is moving up. See it? It is timing. Our motor is running. The plant manager is extremely happy. Stop it. Stop count went up. Downtime is running. Plant manager is unhappy. But you see what happens with just the move function, we're just telling it, take this value and override it to this value. And so we're not really accumulating anything. So that is a problem because we want to know total, right? We don't want to know how long it was down before it was stopped again, although that might be a statistic you want to keep track of.